Hello and welcome back to another Router Gods video. My name's Humphrey Chung, and in this video we are going to test out several microphones to see which one will make sense for your video chats, for your WebExes, for your Camtasia training videos, and hopefully this will show you whether you need to spend the money on a better mic, or such as a Blue Yeti, or if going with something like a USB headset makes better sense for you. Now the microphones we will be testing are, right in front of me is the Blue Yeti Nano. Plugs into your computer via USB 2.0. And it is a very good microphone. The Blue Yeti is kind of the standard that you see a lot of the YouTubers and the podcasters use. So that's the Blue Yeti. You've got the Logitech Clear Chat USB headset. I love this thing. Now, I'll just say it up front. For about 80 to 90% of you, this will do just fine. For YouTube videos, I've made hundreds of YouTube videos with these, and it's great. Great for WebEx as well. It's got a manual mute button, which is going to help you out. Also, the volume controls are here. The Blue Yeti Nano also has a manual mute button, but you're definitely going to hear it as if I hit it, I'm shaking the whole microphone. Also, the comfort of this USB headset, you just put it on, you basically forget about it. Whereas with the Blue Yeti, you've got to mount this on some type of arm mount, because the desktop mount that it comes with, when you type, you're definitely going to hear it. Also, it's going to get this out of the way. You could swing it out of the way very easily. So we've got the Logitech USB headset. We've got the Blue Yeti Nano. I'm recording the video on the Logitech C920 webcam, and we're going to try out the microphone on that. So that's 3 microphones. And then finally, I'm on an Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. We're going to, just for giggles, we're going to see how the microphone direct from the laptop sounds. All right, so let's get started. Well, we already have the Blue Yeti in front of me. The Blue Yeti is hooked into NVIDIA RTX noise cancellation. So this is how it is with the noise cancellation on. This is probably going to be the best out of everyone. And I'm going to stop for about 5 seconds so you can hear the silence. Okay, so that's with the NVIDIA RTX cleaning up the audio. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn off NVIDIA RTX. So we have a checkbox, remove background noise. I'm just going to uncheck that, wait a couple seconds. So now the noise cancellation is off. This is how you would normally get the audio coming from the Blue Yeti. Incidentally, I am recording this with Camtasia 2020. We got the volume all the way to the max, so hopefully it's not totally destroying your ears. And also at the end, there will be no sound processing that I would normally do. So there's no normalization, compression, adding the bass, there's like 6 steps that I would normally do for a training video. I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds for the noise. Okay, so now we are on the Logitech USB headset. These are the Clear Chat headsets. It's about $30, $35 US currently. Actually, the prices now are a little bit higher because everyone's buying headsets and buying microphones and cameras because they're all working from home. So NVIDIA RTX is on. It's clearing up the noise that's going around me, the AC and everything else that's happening. But as you could probably hear, it's still pretty good. And yes, for about 80 to 90% of you, perfectly fine for WebEx, perfectly fine for YouTube. I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds to see if there's any noise. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the NVIDIA RTX noise cancellation. That way, so it's off right now. That way you can hear whether that makes a difference. And I was also going to pause for about 5 seconds. We're now going to switch over to the webcam. So this is the audio coming from the webcam. And we're going to start off with NVIDIA RTX on. So now it's coming from the webcam, but we're also processing the noise and it's canceling some of that out in real time. And so actually I could take off the headset. So now we're going to turn off the noise cancellation. So this is how most people would have it, especially if you don't have an NVIDIA card, then you can't use the NVIDIA RTX voice. So now the noise cancellation is off. This is how most people would hear it. The air conditioning unit is still on. The refrigerator has actually turned off, but the elevator is still going. So you probably do hear some background noise. And I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds just to see what the webcam picks up. Okay, so for our final test, we're going to switch over to the laptop. So now we've switched over to the laptop microphone coming from the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. I don't even know where the actual microphone port is on the laptop. The noise cancellation is turned on, so it's cleaning up a little bit of everything. And we're going to type on the keyboard. This is also one big drawback of using the microphone on your laptop is when you type, people are definitely going to hear it. All right, so that's the laptop microphone with the noise cancellation on, actually, it's on. And now I'm going to turn it off. Noise cancellation is off. I'm going to start typing. And I'm also going to pause for about 5 seconds. All right, so that's a quick and dirty test of 4 microphones with NVIDIA RTX on and off. You can make your own decisions of what microphone to buy. If you do have the money, I would suggest going with the Yeti Blue Nano. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this microphone, it's a better microphone, it's more sensitive, but you have to do more work in terms of the audio cleanup and the noise cancellation because, yes, it's going to pick up your voice a lot better, but it's also going to pick up noise a lot better as well. So it goes both ways. If you want kind of the 80%, you want to hit that 80% rule, it's good enough, the 80-20 rule, Logitech Clear Chat USB headset. If you can't do that, well, go with the Logitech C920 webcam. If you have the webcam already, that's a no-brainer. Use that. Microphone's okay, it's not too bad. And the last ditch thing, actually, don't even consider using the laptop microphone. It's not even worth it. At least get a headset. All right, this has been a quick and easy video. Humphrey Chung with Router Gods. See you on the next video.